Okay, the reaction says, it's actually kind of light. It says 5 carbon plus 2 sulfur dioxide yields carbon disulfide, which is a liquid, and 4 carbon monoxide. The problem actually reads like this. Carbon disulfide is an important industrial solvent. It is prepared by the reaction of coke with sulfur dioxide. All right, A. The class isn't really here. I'm pretending they are. How many moles of carbon disulfide form when 2.7 moles of carbon react? Okay, let's do this out. This will be my work area. Okay, I'm comparing this with this. Okay, concentrate on the number of moles of each particle. Okay, 5 to 1. So 5 over 1 equals, right? 5 over 1 equals 2.7 over x. So, calculate this out. 2.7 times 1 divided by 5 is 0.54. This is 0.54 moles. 0.54 moles. Okay, the next one says, right. The next one says, let's erase this, says B. Says how many moles of carbon are needed to react with 5.44 moles of sulfur dioxide? Okay. How many moles of this react with 5.44 moles of sulfur dioxide? All right. So it's 5 to 2. 5 to 2 equals x over 5.44. X equals what? X equals what? X will equal 13.6. So this is 5 times 5.44 divided by 2, 13.6. So I'm going to put 13.6 here. All right, good. Next, C says, how many moles of carbon monoxide form at the same time that 0.246 moles of carbon disulfide forms? Okay, right. Let's look at that one. So, how many moles of carbon monoxide form when 0.246 moles of carbon disulfide form? So, again, it's going to be 1 to 4. 1 to 4 equals 0.246 over x. So 4 times 0.246, and that's going to be 0.984. 0.984. So x equals 0.984. And that should make sense because this is 4 times a quarter, which is about 1, divided by 1 is 1. So this will be 0.984 moles. And the last one, we're just going to do very quickly. The last one says, right, if I produce 118 moles of this, how much of this am I going to need? Well, it's 2 to 1. So what's 2 times 118? That should fall off the paper. So that'll be 2, 3, 6. Okay? You shouldn't have to do this. You know, this should be very straightforward. If I have 118 moles of this, I have 236 moles of this. Moles of that. Clear? Easy? Yes? Okay. Let's just make sure that it took. All right, looks good. Looks good. Okay? So, 5 is to 1 as 2.7 is to 0.54. 5 is to 2 as 13.6 is to 5.44. 1 is to 4 as 0.246 is to 0.984. And 1 is to 2 as 118 is to 236. Clear? We are off.